Hi children, today we are going to see question number 6 of exercise 6.3. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square number. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. In the previous question, what we had to find out? We had to find the smallest whole number by which we have to multiply the given number to get a perfect square. Process is going to be same. You have to prime factorize the given number. So here is the sum number 252 and I have factorized it and I've got the prime factors. So 252 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Then you pair the factors. On pairing it, we found that 7 is left alone. So the factor which is left alone, with that number you have to divide the given number. So your next step is going to be on dividing 252 by 7. We get, what did we get by dividing 252 by 7? 252 को 7 से divide करने पर हमें मिलता है 36. We get 36 and so what's it? इतना ही. ये 7 निकाल दो, बाकी जो फैक्टर्स बचे वही आपको लिखना है. नए सिरे से आपको फैक्टराइज नहीं करना है. Only thing is that the number of the factor which is left alone has to be eliminated, has to be removed. उसको रिमूव कर दो, बाकी बचे फैक्टर्स को आपको लिखना है. So 36 is 2 2s and 3 3s, 4 9s 36. Therefore square root of 36 is what? 2 3s 6. So this is what you have to do in this question. Now we move on with the second sum of this question, and the number is 2925. Now we have to factorize it, and on factorizing, what do we get? Let's see. 2925, last digit is 5, so we will take 5 and divide. 2 5s are 25, then 2 8s are 40. Sorry. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, and again 5 5s are 25. Again take 5 1s are, then 1s are, 7s are 35. Now we cannot take 5. Let's check. Last digit is 7, so it is not even divisible by 2. Let's add the digits. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 7 9. So 9 is multiple of 3, divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. 3 13s are and 13 1s are. Okay, so you have got the factors, and you can see here which factor is left alone, which number is left alone. 5 is in pair, 3 is in pair, and 13 is left alone. So what we are going to do next? We are going to divide this 2925 by 13, right? So let me first write down 2925 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 13. Many of you might be telling, or you might be guided by your parents or guides, that we cannot take factors like this, that you cannot take bigger factors and then you cannot go for the smaller factors. I would say that no, there is no difference in it. You start dividing. You use the divisibility test and start dividing. Thing is that these factors which you are taking should be prime, right? अगर आपको ये देख के पता ही चलता है कि 5 से डिविजिबल है तो 5 से शुरू करो, विच इज़ अ प्राइम फैक्टर. फिर बाद में जाके पता चलता है कि आप 3 से कर सकते हो, तो कंटिन्यू विद दैट. सो not necessary that you cannot begin with 5 which is greater than 3. कंपल्सरी आपको 3 से ही स्टार्ट करना है, ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है. ओके, सो नाउ लेट्स पेयर इट. पेयर्ड 13 is left, so now 2925 divided by 13. Divide and tell the answer. Let's divide it. 2925 divided by 13. 13 2s are 26. 9 में से 6 subtract करिए. 3 bring down 2. This is 32. 13 3s are, will it work? No. Again it's going to be 2s are 26. Subtract it, you will get 6. Let's borrow from here. 12 में से 6 subtract करिए, आपको मिलेगा 6 answer. Bring down 5. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now you have 65. So now what will you do? 13 5s are 65. Okay, 13 5s are 65, and so you have got the answer 225. So write here 225. तो आप क्या करोगे, इस 13 को दबा दीजिए. आपके पास कितने फैक्टर्स है वही आपको लिखना है. आपको अलग से 225 का फैक्टराइजेशन करना नहीं है. So that only you have to copy down your 225 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So you have the pair, write it symbolically. 225 is square root of 15. Answer is 15. Is that clear? So this is your answer. Isn't it easy? It's very easy. So one more sum I will do for you, and then 4th, 5th, 6th you will do it as a self practice. Okay, so now we go with the third one. Third is 396. Let's factorize 396. Here we go. 396, last digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2. So let's start with 2. 2 1s are 2, 9s are 18, and 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18, 9s are 18. Then it's 3 by which you can divide. 33s are 3 goes here, 11s are, and 11 1s are. Okay, now you can see what is left. 11 is left. The rest 2 numbers are in pairs. So we write here 396 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11. Pair it. 11 is left alone. So now, as per the rule, 396 divided by 11. Let's divide. 11 3s are 33 and 6 are 36. I have done it orally. You have to divide and check. आप देखो 11 3s are 33. यहाँ पे इमेजिनरी 33 लिख लीजिए. 3 तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख ही लिया. 39 में से 33 सब्ट्रैक्ट करिए, 6 मिलेगा, तो ऊपर यहाँ पे 6 है. 66. 11 6 are 66. So our answer is 36. So यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे, 11 को दबा देंगे, रहेगा क्या, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 3 ज़ा 12, 4 3 ज़ा 12 and 12 3 ज़ा 36. Okay, so write it like this, 2 2 ज़ा 4, 3 ज़ा 12, 3 ज़ा 36. Square root of 36 gives you 2 3 ज़ा 6. That's the final answer. Here we go. Hope you have understood this method, and so you will practice it the rest of the sums, that is 4th, 5th and 6th. Self practice. We are going very slowly, so I hope you have understood, and now we will move on to the next method, that is getting square root of the given number by division method. Okay, so wait for the next video to come up. Okay, let's begin today. Here we are going to study finding square root by division method. It's not that difficult. Only the difference is you have to pair the number whose square root you have to find. Little difference is there between the simple division which you carry out and the divisor here which you are going to take. You have to take it in squares. You have to take squares of the divisor. That's the difference between the simple division and the division carried out to find out square root of the given number. First thing what you have to do in this is you have to pair out the digits of the given number starting from ones place, from the right hand side end. Okay, how many number of digits are there in this? There are 3 digits, right? So when you start pairing the digits, then you see you have to put a bar. 9 2, एक पैर बार लगाया, अभी यहाँ पे एक डिजिट बाकी रह गया, 1 number is left out. Then you have to put bar on it because there is no pair to it, or there is no number that can form pair with it. So compulsorily we have to take this single digit. Now as the number of digits are odd number, that is यहाँ पे 3 ही numbers है, इस number में कितने digits है? 3 digits are there. So on pairing from right hand side ones place, एक पेयर मिल गया और फिर बाकी रहा 5, that is the leftmost number, right? ये सिंगल है, इसको बार लगा दो. That means आपको पूरा इसी नंबर को आपको ध्यान में रख के स्क्वायर्स फाइंड करने हैं. ओके, तो यहाँ पे है आपके पास 5. सो यू हैव टू गो फॉर सच टाइप ऑफ डिवाइजर्स जिसके स्क्वायर करने पर आपको यहाँ पे डिविडेंड मिलेगा. ओके, सो वी विल गो लाइक 1 1 ज़ा, 2 2 ज़ा, 3 ले रहे हैं तो 3 3 ज़ा, अगर 4 ले रहे हैं तो 4 4 ज़ा. ओके, वॉट एवर divisor we take here, the same one you have to put it over here because we are going for squares. Understood? हम 2 1 ज़ा, 2 3 ज़ा, 2 4 ज़ा ऐसे नहीं लेंगे. तो हमारे पास है 5, तो नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर कौन सा होगा? 2 2 ज़ा 4. 4 will be the nearest number. So you go for 2 2 ज़ा. Write here 2, write here 2. 2 2 ज़ा 4. Write here 4. Then subtract it. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Now before taking these 2 digits down, अब जो बार किया हुआ है दोनों नंबर को आपको नीचे लाना होगा. You cannot bring down 2 then bring down 9. No, it is unlike the simple division, you have to take both the digits down. That is, you have to bring down 29. But before we bring 29 down, we have to carry out one procedure. We have to add this number here. आप ऐड करोगे 2 + 2 आएगा, आपको मिलेगा 4. यहाँ पे 4 लिखा, but now the number which you are getting, it's a 2-digit number. Okay, so the divisor which you have to select has to be a 2-digit number. तो यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं, हमने यहाँ पे ऐड किया इसको, इसके साथ यहाँ पे ऐड करने पर मुझे क्या मिलेगा? 4. This is how we get 4. Okay, now it's a 2-digit number. You have to now search such a digit over here that अगर मैंने यहाँ पे 1 लिया, 41 1s, 42 2s, मतलब whatever digit we take over here, that we have to write here. Now you think of, when do you get 9 in 1's place? कौन से नंबर के स्क्वायर gives you 9 at its 1's place? एक तो है 3 स्क्वायर करने पर आपको यूनिट प्लेस पे 9 मिलेगा, और दूसरा है 7. राइट? सो नाउ what we have to check, either we have to go for 43 3s or you have to go for 47 7s. अब सोच के देखो, 47 7s, 47 को 7 टाइम्स करेंगे तो इट विल गो बियॉन्ड, क्योंकि इट विल गो बियॉन्ड 129. सो द नियरेस्ट वन विल बी 43 3s. ये आपको लॉजिक यूज करना पड़ेगा बिफोर कैरिंग आउट द डिविजन. यू हैव टू थिंक ऑफ last digit is all those things which you have studied in the starting exercise before starting 6.1, जो मैंने आपको समझाया था कि यूनिट डिजिट पर कौन से नंबर के स्क्वायर आपको यूनिट डिजिट पर क्या देता है, that I have taught you. So as it is 9, so we get 9 when we square 3 or we square 7. So अब वही आपको यूज़ करना है. सारे नंबर्स यहाँ पे चेक नहीं करने हैं, ओनली आपको यू हैव टू चेक आउट 2 numbers. 3 3s 9 and 3 4s 12. हो गया आसान. सो इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप व्हाट वी टुक 3, तो यहाँ पे 3 लिखो, फिर यहाँ पे 3 लिखो, और जो आंसर आता है वो यहाँ पे लिखो 129. सो नाउ द डिवीज़न गेट्स ओवर. 0 हो गया, यू गॉट 0. सो one more thing you have to do is same 3 you add it over here. 3 plus 3 is 6, 46. So on adding whatever number you get, इसका अगर आधा यहाँ पे आपको मिलता है, half of this if you get here, that means you have carried out the step perfectly and you have got the square root of 529. Understood? So square root of 529 is 23. Understood? So the division which you have carried out is perfectly correct. अभी चलते हैं दूसरे एग्जाम्पल को लेके. Here you have the next number 4096. Okay, now the number of digits over here, it's even number. Start pairing from behind, from 1's digit 1 2, उसके ऊपर बार लगाइए, फिर 0 4 बार लगा दीजिए. तो we have 2 pairs. Okay, now we have 2 pairs. We have to start with the first pair. हमारे पास पहला पेयर कौन सा है? 40. तो you have to go for, now you have to go for such squares which is near to 40. Right? The 2-digit squares you have to go for. Single digit squares will not do. 5 5s 4 4s 16. 5 5s 25. So nearest number is 6 6s 36. 7 7s 49. 49 becomes greater than 40. So take square of 6. 6 6s 36. Subtract it. I have pressed this pair. 40 minus 36 gives you 4. Now in the next step what will you do? You will add 6 over here. On adding 6, what do you get? 12. Right? At the same, after writing 12, you have got the third. Now it's a 3-digit number. Right? You bring down 96. Now we have 496. Okay? Hope it's clear now. It's 496. You have got 12 here. How did you get 12? You add 6 over here. 6 plus 6 is 12. Now the third digit will be the deciding digit. Here it is 6. Now you think of the number on squaring. You get 6 in its units place. So, कौन सा नंबर है जिसको स्क्वायर करने पर आपको यूनिट्स प्लेस पे, वंस प्लेस पे आपको 6 मिलता है? तो एक होगा 6 6 and the other one is 4 4 राइट. तो आप क्या करोगे? आइदर आप लोगे 126 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 6 या तो फिर 124 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4. You have 2 choice. So which one you will go with? यहाँ पे देखिए 4 है, right? So 4 1s are 4 और यहाँ पे 6 1s are 6 आ जाएगा, which is going to be bigger than 496. So 4 will be the right choice. You have to put here 4 and at the same you have to put here 4. Okay, here we put 4 here and 4 here. But before that, let's check, are we getting 496 or not? 4 4s are 16, 1 carry over, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 1s are 4. Yes, we are getting. As we are asked to find out square root, so obviously we will get it. So carry out the process. यहाँ पे 4 लगाया, यहाँ पे 4 लिखा, हो गया 496 0. अब इसी 4 को यहाँ पे ऐड करोगे, जो यहाँ पे नहीं दिखाया है. इज जस्ट वेरीफाइंग, just to verify whether you have got the perfect answer or not. 4 plus 4 8, 128. If you divide 128, you will get, divide 128 by 2. इसको आधा करो तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? 64. ओके, सो ऐसे हम स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करते हैं बाय डिवीजन मेथड. Is that clear? These numbers are integers. Now we are going to do the same thing, that is find out square root of decimals by division method. Let's see.